These letters were sent to the commission before he took charge in March 24. He said, I'll seek information on this matter and look into it. मुझे एक चीज समझ नहीं आती कि कोई भी कमीशन का चेयरमैन जो है, इवन सुप्रीम कोर्ट जो है, बहुत सारे केसेस में स्यू मोटो क्यों नहीं करता. दिस इज नॉट एन ऑर्डिनरी इशू. Addressed to the Lieutenant Governor of Andaman and Nicobar Islands and marked to the Commission as well and other agencies pertain to relocation of the Nicobaris of the Great Nicobar Island to their pre-tsunami villages at the earliest. Friends, this was a news in Express today. I just do not understand where are ecologists, where are environmentalists, where are social scientists, particularly anthropologists, and where are journalists. This was the news in Indian Express, and ironically, no other newspaper of Delhi I have seen carrying this news. And otherwise, also, it's a bit outdated. Last week only, we had a news here in Express interview of the chairman of National Commission for Scheduled Tribes, and we had a video on that. The toothless, actually, I should say spineless, and is clear again here. What is the news? The news is 81,000 crore Great Nicobar's project is planned over 166 square kilometers. Nicobar tribals concerns on NCST table again. Islands counseling flags unanswered concerns. इंटरव्यू में नेशनल कमीशन ने कहा था that I have not received any complaints, any grievances, any notices. Again he has said कि मेरे पास आएगा तो डेफिनेटली I'll have a look at that. मेरे रहते तो नहीं आया ना नोटिस कोई. You are the institution. If any application was there, if any request was there, before you took up, does it mean that the commission has no responsibility? Do you think commission starts with you only? What does it say? The tribal council's latest petition to the NCST, dated December 6, was prompted by November 26 interview of the chairperson, Antar Singh Arya, here published in this paper only, in which he said that the commission has not received any representation regarding council's withdrawal of no objection to denotification of tribal reserve and diversion of forest for the project. The tribal council chairman has drawn the NCST's attention to the council's July 21 complaint to the minister, Joel Oram, union minister, which had flagged the Andaman and Nicobar Island administration, made a false claim about settlement of forest rights of tribal communities. ट्राइबल्स की काउंसिल कह रही है कि आपने जो है गलत दावा किया. The chairman stated that the claims on settlement of rights under FRA 2006 were made even as the process of recognition of rights had not even begun on the island. The tribal council chairman said in his letters that he was saddened that no response was received towards any of these representations. वो लोग बार बार लिखते रहे हैं. इवन जब मंत्री जी को लिख दिया गया तो उसके बाद भी कुछ बचता है क्या? The council chairman also said that the older representations are being made available with the hope that the NCST will look into the issue and address our concerns this time. They have sent all the representations together so that now they will. These letters were sent to the commission before he took charge in March 24. He said, I'll seek information on this matter and look into it. मुझे एक चीज समझ नहीं आती कि कोई भी कमीशन का चेयरमैन जो है, इवन सुप्रीम कोर्ट जो है, बहुत सारे केसेस में स्यू मोटो क्यों नहीं करता. दिस इज नॉट एन ऑर्डिनरी इशू. इशू इन्वॉल्विंग एन नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स. एनवायरमेंट है, सिक्योरिटी है। मेनली जो ट्राइबल्स के लिए जो वीकेस्ट सेक्शन वाले हैं, जो पीवीटीजीज हैं, उनके राइट्स की बात है। उनके लिए जो एक्ट्स बने हैं, एफआरए की बात है, एलएआरआर की बात है, पेशा की बात है। इन सब सीरियस इश्यूज के होते हुए कमीशन का चेयरमैन कहता है कि मेरे पास तो आए ही नहीं, मैंने जब से चार्ज लिया। द इंडियन एक्सप्रेस रीच्ड आउट टू आर्या, द चेयरमैन, for a response on the tribal council letter, and Arya said that legal letter was sent to the commission before he took charge. I'll seek information on this matter. Seek information का क्या मतलब है? Hmm? So this is toothless and spineless. The older representations and grievances sent to the NCST once again relate to the impacts the mega project will have on the ancestral lands of Nicobari community who were displaced from their village during 2004 great tsunami, and the impact of the on the PVTG's Champagne. ये बहुत पुरानी बात हो गई, 21 years ago, that when tsunami came, they were displaced and rehabilitated. The tribal council had also categorically said that the tribal affairs minister in July, they do not want the proposed project to be sited in their villages or any area that is part of the tribal reserve area or areas being used by the Champagne, whose numbers are only in hundreds. ओनली इन हंड्रेड का मतलब क्या है? 200-300 के करीब है। सरकार आज तक जो है वो भारत सरकार उनको काउंटिंग भी नहीं कर पाई। द ट्राइबल काउंसिल चेयरमैन लेटर गोज ऑन टू लिस्ट टू कम्युनिकेशंस। ये इंपॉर्टेंट हैं, ये दोनों कम्युनिकेशंस जो हैं। द फर्स्ट वन dated 27 August 2022, more than 3 years ago, addressed to the Lieutenant Governor of Andaman and Nicobar Islands and marked to the Commission as well and other agencies, pertain to relocation of the Nicobaris of the Great Nicobar Island to their pre-tsunami villages at the earliest. They want that they should be rehabilitated back. I just do not understand where is the problem and what is the issue. The second dates November 22, 2022, again same year and again 3 years ago, pertain to the tribal council's relocation of no objection certificate, revocation of no objection certificate for diversion of 130 square kilometers of forest for the Great Nicobar Infrastructure Project, and revoking consent for the denotification of a tribal reserve spanning 84 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर्स। 3 साल पहले जो है उन लोगों ने रिप्रेजेंटेशन दिया था, एंड दिस इज अंडर लॉ। ग्राम सभा वो डिसीजन ले सकती है एंड द गवर्नमेंट हैज टू फॉलो दैट। इन द लेटर revoking its no objection certification, the tribal council had pointed out that it was not made aware of that their tribal results would fall in the layout of the mega project. Council had said back then that it was shocked and distressed to learn that parts of the pre-tsunami villages of Chenge along the southeast coast and Kokyon, Polobaka, Polobaha and Inhyong Roy, pronunciation गड़बड़ हो सकती है, along the southern west coast will also be denotified and diverted for the project. This, it had pointed out, was concealment of facts and impacted their demand for go back to their ancestral villages. PVTGs, they have all the right to advise and get the job done from the government. But everyone in the hierarchy, right from PM and all the ministers, they have only told what are the benefits of this project. My first question and the only question is why this project be imposed on these people? क्या और islands नहीं है? You have so many uninhabited islands. क्या neighboring islands पे ये सब नहीं हो सकता था? Government should have explained that why it is necessary, why it is important to start this project at that much a cost. Cost और भी बढ़ेगी, लेकिन ये सारी चीजें जो है आप एयरपोर्ट लाएंगे, आप 60,000 आउटसाइडर्स को वहां पे सेटल करने जा रहे हैं। व्हाट इज द लॉजिक बिहाइंड दैट? यू हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्ट्रॉयड द लाइफस्टाइल ऑफ सो मेनी ट्राइबल्स। इवन यहाँ के जो लोग हैं, आप जारवा की बात कर लीजिए, आप ओंजे की बात कर लीजिए, पीवीटीजीज है, उनकी लाइफ टाइम जो है, आप ग्रेट अंडमानीज की बात कर लीजिए, इरिपेरेबल लॉस उनका हुआ है, और ये भी वही होने जा रहा है। और गवर्नमेंट जो है वो क्या एक्शन लेगी? एक्चुअली मैं इसका एक डिटेल्ड वर्जन अभी बनाऊंगा। एक मीनू गुप्ता मिनिस्ट्री में सेक्रेटरी रही हैं, मोटा में भी और एनवायरमेंट में भी। उनका एक आर्टिकल द वायर में छपा है, बहुतों को चुभेगा भी, बट आई हैव ऑलरेडी सेड इन माय बुक दैट फॉर मी issues are important. So issue is, and we are going to discuss in detail the views of that article which published in the Wire shortly. Thank you.